Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart the Blackberry Bold 9900 or 9930. As you can see, this one has a cracked screen, so I'm going to have to replace it. So first thing you're going to do is obviously take out the battery. Just put that on the side. And then right over here, you can use your nail or one of the remover tools. Just pop this out. It's sticky, so just peel it off. It comes off just like that. So now you need a T5 screwdriver, and you're just going to take out these two screws right here. Maybe this will help. So now you're just going to take your screwdriver, and right over here you have to just pop the keyboard out just like that, and use your hand and just pop it out right over here. But be careful, as it's connected right over here. So now all you're gonna do is just pop it out with your finger. The flex cable. So now the keyboard is off. So now there's one screw right there, one screw right there. They're all different colors, so just make sure you put the right ones in. So now what you're gonna do is slide the screen down. There's one screw right there and one screw right there. You're just gonna take that off. These two screws are gold. The first ones are silver, the second set is black, and these are gold. So now when you have that out, just turn it over, take out the chassis, so it just comes out like that. So now this is the back. There's a small little flex cable right here. Just pop that out and carefully take out the back. And there's right over here, there's a flex cable connected. This one you have to, with your finger, pull it up and then just slide it out like that. So now you have the motherboard, the main body out. You put that to the side, and the screen usually is stuck in here, but this one's cracked, so it's looser, and it just comes out like that. So here's the frame, the flex cable right here, and here is the screen. Now this one is cracked, so I'm going to replace it. But as you can see, there's letters down here. There's two types of screens. This is the 002-111-1. So that's how you dismantle Blackberry.